Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 3:10 a.m. and today is race day. I know, kakagaling ko lang sa Pride Run last Sunday. But this is courtesy of my ninong and Ate Pichi. So, why not? This is for the, again, Rexona 10-miler in Manila sa Carina Grandstand. So, I'm just preparing because 4 a.m. is the assembly time for 5 kilometers. And then, after ng race, baka tapusin ko lang siya and then uwi na rin ako agad. Kasi kailangan ko pang matulog ulit. Kasi meron pa akong ganap later. So, ayun. Good luck to me. And I got new shoes from Asics the Nova Plus 5. I was able to break it in yesterday. So, yun ang gagamitin natin today. I think it's not raining naman. So, I'll go ahead and see you guys later. Daming tao. Hello guys. So currently, naglalakad ako ngayon sa Rojas Boulevard. Kasi ang hirap sumakay dun sa may Quirino Grandstand. Or I mean dun sa may Luneta Park. Natatawa lang ako kasi para akong nagkadala. Kasi laki pa ng loot bag. But anyway, pumunta lang ako hanggang kanto nito. And then dun na ako sasakay ng angkas pa uwi. And I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, so nakauwi na ako from the Rexona 10-miler race. And I did 5 kilometers. And fun naman. Nandun si Ninong, si Tita Maan, and si Kuya Gian. So, minute ko sila. Nag-16 kilometers sila. Kasi hindi ko pa kaya yun. But, masaya naman. Umulan lang siya after the race. And naglakad ako from Quirino to Star City. Hindi ko rin alam kung ba't ko ginawa yun. Pero okay lang. I was able to do 15,000 steps since 3 a.m. this morning. So, okay lang. Anyway, mag-unbox tayo dun sa loot bag. I'm just drinking my hojicha. Actually, mabigat tong loot bag. So, I think madami-dami. Malaki. We have a full-size refill of Gentle Exfoliating Nourishing Body Wash from Dove. And then, another one. This one is Deeply Nourishing Body Wash from Dove then. Full refill. And then we have a full size of Close Up. And then a full size of Dove Deodorant Dry Serum. Another full size of Rexona Berry Glow. Meron ako nito from the race kit, but I have another one. So, madami-dami. And then I have here Enervon. One lang naman, vitamins. And then ibuprofen, medical. And then oatmeal, si Papa P ulit. And then, what's this? Gift certificate. Hala, napunit. Magagamit ko pa kaya to? Gift certificate. This is for Slimmer's World. And then, some Skyflakes candies. Ang dami. Another Rexona dry serum. Nice. Solved na ako until 6 months or until end of the... May isa pa! Oh my gosh! And then, Lifebuoy soap. And then, Gaviscon. And then, Neosep. Wow, isang ganito. And then, another soap from Dr. Kaufman. And then, Salon Pass. And then, 20% off for Nike and Rev. Dami, ang saya. I'll show you. Wait lang. So, ito lahat yung loot bag. Grabe, sobrang sulit na to. Especially with this, kasi full size, tapos may refill pa na malaki. Ganda. Thank you so much, Rexona. Well, ako naman, magpapahinga lang naman ako. Around 2 p.m., aalis din kami. Pupunta kami ng QC sa White Plain. To celebrate Ninong and Ram's birthday. So, wala siyang idea kanina na magkikita ulit kami mamayang hapon. Tas yun lang, baka mag-nap lang din ako ng very light. And I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, nakaligo na ako and nakaayos. We're gonna go to White Plains sa Buttery and Co. para i-celebrate yung birthday ni Ninong at saka ni Ram. Inaantay lang namin dito sa bahay sila Ate Mick and aalis na rin kami dito para maaga kasi it's gonna be a surprise birthday party and I'll bring you guys with me. So, tara! Okay, nag-order kami ng drinks. Akin, matcha sea salt latte. Ano yung order mo?
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu yung kanya. Taste test. Ganun talaga yung pag Masarap naman siya, pero nakukulangan ako dun sa sa sea salt. Sa sea salt niya. Ikaw, kamusta naman yung tiramisu?
Sarap.
Hindi tayo pwede mag-vlog sa mga ganito. Tagal ng pagkain, nagugutom na ako. Hello! Andito kami sa Matcha Mama here in White Plains. Mamaya na, timik. Ayan o. Hi! Cute no? Aesthetic yung nila. Mamaya iikot ko kayo. Meron din sila ditong hojicha powder, matcha, and matcha bowl. Chisen. Ayan o. So you can buy from them. Meron ding t-shirt and other cute things. Ito cute. Ayan. And then, dito tayo sa nagpipicture. Guluhin natin siya. Okay. Order tayo ng hojicha. Taste test. Ooh, sarap. Love it. It's only 190 pesos. So, try nyo na. Hello guys, good morning. Kakatapos ko lang tumakbo. Andito ako ngayon sa Okada. And grabe, first time ko tumakbo sa ulan. Hindi naman mahirap. Hindi, actually mahirap. Pero okay lang din at the same time. But today is the first day I am doing a training for 10 kilometers. So I have 8 weeks to do it. So hopefully walang ibang mangyayari in those 8 weeks. So let's go, let's do it. After dito, magpapahinga lang ako ngayon, aakit ulit ako sa loob, and then maya-maya punta na ako ng Bacoor to do some errands. So, daling ko na lang din kayo. And I'll see you guys later.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Hi guys, so it's currently Wednesday, July 1st, and kahapon I just started rather ang training ko for 10 kilometers. So day 1 ko kahapon. And for today, kaya ako nakaganito kasi magwo-walking ako for today. And then bukas run ulit. But the reason why we're filming this is we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I have 3 packages here and let's get to it. Puro pang running din ata to, pang workout, but let's go ahead and check. So the first one we have here is muscle tees. Hindi talaga ako nag-i-sleeveless or muscle tees kasi medyo hindi ako conscious ako sa braso ko kasi malaki yung braso ko. So, ano ko siya, insecurity ko siya, yung braso ko. But, naisip-isip ko, pakailan ba ng mga tao sa braso ko, diba? So, let's just go ahead and wear sleeveless. So, the first one that I have here, pareho lang silang black, magkaiba lang design. Ay, medyo malaki pala. So this one, I got it from TikTok as always. And this is 200 plus. And maganda yung quality niya. Parang ayokong gawing pang workout lang. Maganda yung quality. I got the Nirvana design. And then the other one is Tokyo motorcycle something Japanese. So cute. Let's try on. Let's try it. Let's try on. Let's try one. Yes. Here it is when I'm wearing it. Cute naman, pero parang, hindi ko alam, parang maganda siya, pero parang ayoko siyang ipang workout na pang-aalis ko na lang. Cute eh, oh. And maganda yung quality niya for 200 plus. Like, yan. Sige lang. Ganyan kalaki yung butas. Ganun kalaki yung butas. But, yeah, so nice. Ito lang kaya suotin ko today. Let's see. And then, I might get more from this shop. But, let's go ahead and proceed with the next package. So, the one I have here next. Bumili rin ako ng panty. Ito ata yun. Oh yeah, it is. This is from Ikora, yung seamless panty nila. I got 6. Let's just check one. Ooh, nice. This is mid-rise. Mas gusto ko sana yung low-rise, pero wala silang low-rise eh. But I'll just try this first and let's see kung maganda yung quality niya. But yeah. And then the last package that I have here is, ito yung alam ko to eh. Ito yung handkerchiefs. Sana maganda yung mga colors na binigay nila sa akin. Laman lang yung gusto kong color. This is 6 pieces for 189 pesos. I'm gonna just use this as bandana, not a handkerchief. Manipis siya. Manipis. So, sana okay siya as a bandana. Okay naman. I think kaya naman siyang bandana. May isip ko lang kasi baka masyado siyang I'll probably just do this. Nang nakalubay. Kesa yung nasa ilalim ng hair. Di maayos, pero pwede na. Yan. Perfect. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung ating mini unboxing for today. I have the one in green, the one in blue, brown, gray, and purple. At least may purple. But, yeah. That's just gonna be it for today. I'm actually ending the vlog here kasi baka humaba na naman siya. And I'll go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye!